when I was in Houston in April, I met Brittany Nicole, my new friend, and she sent me a gift. She sent me a gift, so let's unbox it together, okay? She sent me Audrey Hepburn illustrated world of a fashion icon. This is so cute. I love Audrey Hepburn, and so does my friend Brittany. So she thought about me. Oh my god. I love fashion illustrations so much. Oh, and look guys, it got gold pages, well, the edges, but I love that. This is so cute, guys. Look at this. This would be me when I have a baby. I would totally do something vintage like this. Oh my god. Especially if it's a girl. Oh, this is so cool. This is me in the winter. Oh. Monte Carlo. Oh, I would love to be this right now. Somewhere on a yacht. I would totally love this. To be in Monte Carlo in a yacht. Well, I have a glass of champagne, but a martini would do just fine too. Wow. Oh, this is so cool. Givenchy's clothes are the only ones I feel myself in. Who doesn't? He is more than a designer. He is a creator of personality. That would be me. Honestly, I design how I feel. Like, if you guys have seen my collection Summer Breeze, I posted it mainly on Instagram. I have the shorts actually on YouTube too. But that collection was really inspired by how I would feel every time I would hear this song by Burna Boy, Anybody. It would just give this like warm feeling of a summer out with the girls, with your man, whoever, and just feeling like you're in such a mode of enjoying life and getting the best out of life. And it's a collection that would fit anybody, anytime, any kind of girl. Like you know, a Sunday brunch after church, or a dinner at the beach right after, you know, diving in the deep waves. However you feel, but feeling like after, you know, after a hot summer day, having that nice summer breeze, the wind that breezes through your hair, and it gives you this nice vibe of, I'm outside and I'm enjoying life. I'm not doing nothing crazy unless you want to, but you know what I mean? You're just having like a sense of luxury on a hot summer night, but it's not that hot anymore because you have that nice cool breeze of fresh air. You know what I mean. I'm just so getting lost back in that collection, but yes. I never think of myself as an icon. I just do my thing. Period. I like that. I would literally like just copy this page, frame it, and hang it up somewhere. I would literally do that. I love it so much. Oh, wait. Not so fast, mamas. Look at this. Oh, this got me feeling like going back to the drawing board and create. You know, like sometimes as a creator, it's easy to kind of like lose your motivation, lose your inspiration, or it becomes hard to find something nice to create and whatnot. But I think that having books like these and people also that pour into you the way Brittany does, you know, even at any time, any second that you lose your drive, you get it right back up. So guys, if you are in a field, like I'm into fashion, and you find that you're losing your motivation, find that you're losing your inspiration, find something that will remind you of that thing you love to do so much, love to create so much, and surround yourself by it so much to where you cannot help but to stay motivated, you cannot help but to stay inspired. True beauty in a woman is reflected in her soul. It's the caring that she lovingly gives, the passion that she shows, and the beauty of a woman only grows with passing years. Okay, one more time. The true beauty in a woman is reflected in her soul. It's the caring that she lovingly gives. One more time. True beauty in a woman is reflected in her soul. It's the caring that she lovingly gives, the passion that she shows, and the beauty of a woman only grows with passing years. That's beautiful. And of course, a little bit of romance, darling. Yes. Yes. Audrey, darling. Yes. I love this. With hair tied in a bun, big sunglasses, and black dress, every woman can look like me. I need a pair of big sunglasses, as a matter of fact. Aww. This is wonderful. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it. Thank you so much, Brittany. Oh, that's so sweet. I love it. So we just got this book out, and I don't know if you guys could see this, but there's this little teal box. I was only expecting the book, to be honest with you, but it seems like there's something else in there. I thought that this was just a filler, but when I picked up the box, it felt heavy, so I'm like, wait a second, we got something else! Look at this! Oh, these are so cute. Hold on. And it's 3 of them. Oh. These are adorable. Look at this. So I had told Brittany that monkeys are my favorite animal because I recently picked up a monkey and I shared it with her. And so this one is like touching its ear like he's listening. Then we have this one. This is kind of like the see no evil, speak no evil, hear no evil, or something like that. This is, and then this one is like eating something. Oh, thank you, girl. Thank you. I appreciate you so much. Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. Okay guys, let's go find a spot for all of this. I was thinking my new dresser. Let me show you guys. Let me take you on this journey with me. Okay guys, I was thinking of placing this right here. Now, I'm not sure yet. This is the one that we had already. It's right here for right now. I want all of them on top of here, and then next to each other. I don't know yet. Hold on. I need to maybe look from a distance. Guys, this is difficult. This is so difficult. Do I keep them on top of the book? Or do I keep them in front and the side? Or next to here on my magazine? Or like random spots? Like I have one right there next to my flowers. And like maybe one right here on the table. And it's like kind of, let me just get you guys a bit more. Should I keep them all separated? Like right here. Then we have the book right there, the monkey there. One right here. And then another one right there. So it's like this.